just here in Florida, taking a little footage of some of the hurricane destruction that came through a couple weeks ago. There's a hotel, the Econo Lodge. The roof's all tore up with the blue, and this one looks, can't tell too much, but then this one here has some damage there, and then this one in the back there has got those top like areas boarded up, and then over here the Dunkin' Donuts, the billboard went down, and I don't know if this place was like that before or not, but probably was actually. I'm not gonna lie to you, but then let's see. Most of these places are still open, but you know, a lot of places didn't get power till like the last few days or whatever, and a lot of people staying at like the Walmart. The parking lot was really busy, like in the nighttime. People with their campers and things, and I even checked to see what the prices were on the rooms in like Panama City, and they just told me that it was all booked out, so it's not even, you know, I thought I'd go to the beach or whatever, but maybe I'll make a trip over there later if I get a chance, if I'm not busy. But it's about 50 miles away inland, sort of, a little bit north east of like the Panama City. So yeah, and then you see all the stuff over there, just like trees everywhere and all kinds of like signs. Those were like no U-turn sign, and let's see what else. This place over here, I'm not sure what that is. It's a drive-through, but yeah, they're working. And it just places like this all over. I went into town, and you had the chainsaws busy cutting down tree branches, and you know, working extremely hard to get things up and running. I was at like a hardware store. They still had closed just because there's all the debris and stuff. And you got like big piles of stuff like that. See the signs? So yeah, it got real tore up, man, no joke. And you know, you can imagine how people's houses look. You know, big buildings like this get tore up. See the down power lines. What else? See the Burger King sign over there by the Sun Trust Bank, and like even some of the Walmart letters fell off the building. You know, where it says pharmacy and all that. So a lot of the letters were missing. It was the wind was so strong, you know. And you see these big tree piles. Those are all dead trees that fell over, you know. And when you come into the area, you'll notice like just thousands and thousands of trees as you go by. They're all toppled over and completely uprooted and stuff like that. See, this place got really, the signs didn't make it, that's for sure, but the roof doesn't look bad, at least, right? So it's one thing about that. And then let me see, I'm just gonna go over here and get something to eat, so do a little more along the way. Got these big cables here, gotta watch out for that. What else? Yeah, the big tree back there, it's got a lot of dead branches in it, you know. The whole tree didn't fall, but a lot of the branches in the tree, you know, look at all this, right? And the big tree over there on the ground. That was like a telephone pole, looks like. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was a big old telephone pole back there, split in half. All these wires and cables and Verizon. They got a backup generator going over there. Let's see what else. See, it says open. You know, a lot of places you don't know whether they are or not, so they put out signs. see what else they got going on. There's a restaurant over there, so I'm almost where I want to go. Get some barbecue or whatever. Just try it. I've never been there. And then they got a firehouse up. The firehouse is real good. It's over there. They got that going on. Yeah, there's a Walmart parking lot. You know, shoot, a lot of the stuff's on the shelves is gone, man. They had like some shortage of a bunch of products, so I really didn't want to get anything if someone else needed it. You know what I mean? I just got like a gallon of milk, and, you know, it's about all I really need. So, all right, well, thank you for watching. Today is, I guess, let me see what day it is.